Hi, second grade, and welcome back to Wit and Wisdom. I know your teachers probably told you we were doing things a little bit differently, and maybe the last 2 days you saw that we are going to do some things differently. So let's dive in and get ready. Let's go ahead and read our I can sentence. I can explain why a caption is included in a text. Ooh, that word caption is new. Included means like brought in and brought into the text. So before we start, my question to you is, I want you to take a look on these 2 pages and what kinds of text features do you see? So remember, a text feature is something that comes up in a nonfiction text, and it helps us to understand some things better. So go ahead and think. I want you to go ahead and say them out loud. It might be a little silly at home, but go ahead and say them out loud. So I'm going to show you the text features I noticed. And if you found the same text features as me, you can go ahead and show a me too. So one of the first text features I saw was a heading right here, the digestive system. The next text feature I noticed was there were a lot of bullets on this text. I noticed some real photographs down here. I noticed this diagram over here, complete with labels. Remember that me too if you found that. And I also noticed that caption right here. Ooh, connection. We said caption in the beginning of our I cans. Wonder if you caught on to that too. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and read this together. I know it's going to sound a little funny reading out loud at home, but I do need you to participate with this. Let's go ahead and read this together. The digestive system. The digestive tract is about 27 feet long. It begins with the mouth. It includes the pharynx, I know how to pronounce that, pharynx, and the esophagus. It also includes the stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine. Did you know that the digestive system knows when food is coming? This happens even before you eat. When you see, smell, or even think about a tasty treat, the brain tells your body to get ready for food. Your mouth starts to water and the digestive system gears up for a feast. Let's go ahead and read this caption. Did you know that eating healthy foods, chewing well, getting plenty of exercise, and keeping a positive attitude all help your body to digest better? So now I have a question for you from this page. Why would the author ask a question in the caption here? So I'm going to read some choices. Feel free to read with me, and then I want you to think about which choice you think it is. Does the author include the question in the caption here because the author felt like it was a good place to ask a question? The picture has to do with the question? And the author decided to put the question in the caption because if you didn't know the answer to the question, that would make you more curious and would want to read more. Which answer do you think it is? If you said C, say, good job, me. All right, it is C because if you didn't know the answer to this question, that would make you more curious and want to read on. Remember, good readers ask themselves questions and read to find the answers. Okay. We have one more piece of caption and then we have a little secret word. Oop. Okay, so this question, I'm going to go ahead and move myself down here. How is this caption helpful to understand the entire text? So you know I'm going to be asking you about this caption down here, but we do have to read the entire text. So let's go ahead and read together. The end of the line. make sure you're reading with me. By the time the food reaches the end of the small intestine, most of the nutrients have been absorbed or soaked in. The parts that your body can't use pass into your large intestine. This intestine is only 5 feet, 1.5 meters long. However, it is about 3 to 4 inches, 7 to 10 centimeters wide. Wow, so what that tells me is, I don't know if you can picture your teacher right about now, we're all more or less 5 feet tall. I know I'm 5 feet 4 inches. So I know my large intestine is about as long as I am tall, and 3 to 4 inches thick would be about, that would be 3 inches thick of my fingers. Wow. Let's keep reading. The large intestine is also called the colon. It absorbs minerals and water from indigestible food. This makes the waste more solid. Lumps of solid waste are called feces. Muscles push the feces along the colon to the rectum. They remain there until you go to the bathroom. Kiwi fruit contain a high amount of fiber. They help keep your large intestines, as soon as my screen drops, healthy. So how is this caption of kiwi fruit contains a high amount of fiber? They help keep your large intestine healthy. How is that helpful to understand the text? Is it A, the picture is nice, B, it tells us how to keep our intestine healthy, or C, it shows us a good example of what to eat? Go ahead and tell me your answer. I wonder if I was able to trick you. It's not A, the picture is nice. It's B, it tells us how to keep our intestine healthy. And C, it shows us a good example of what to eat. So there were two things in that caption that told us the purpose that it serves to help us understand that text. Okay, secret code word time. Our secret code word is caption. Go ahead and say that. So what you're going to do is there's going to be a link for your Google form, and it will look like this, Lesson 8 secret word. What was the secret word? Do you remember? You're going to click whichever one you think it is, and you're going to click send. I can't wait to hear from you guys. Bye-bye.